Welcome to the Circuit News.
It's that time of year again as students head back to campuses and classrooms across the country. Let's explore how engineers are making back to school even easier. Chalkboards were once Bart Simpson's arch nemesis, but now that's all changing thanks to engineers. Now, a company named Pathway has released a board where you'll never have to turn your back on the class. eGlass is a transparent light board with a built-in camera that allows teachers to maintain eye contact with students while writing on the board. The goal is to drive student engagement in any learning environment, from K-12 to higher education. After the pandemic, where distance learning became a new norm, this technology allows teachers to record full lectures, take screenshots, and pull images and videos on the screen for a more interactive learning experience. If you've ever been in a classroom or lecture hall and wanted to listen with live subtitles, you're in luck. Soon there will be a way. Transcribe Glass is a pair of AR glasses that connect to any transcription service and provide text right in front of your eyes.
Using our device, you can actually see captions for everything I say in your field of view in real time, while also getting a good sense of my lips, my environment, and everything else around me.
Madhav Lavakari originally started working on these glasses as a freshman computer science student at Yale. He teamed up with Stanford master's student Tom Prisky, who's had bilateral hearing loss since he was 3 years old and uses hearing aids and lip reading to communicate. They've raised over $300,000 and already have 150 pre-orders in manufacturing. School pride is critical, of course, especially at the beginning of a new school year. So, engineering students at Virginia Tech University are learning the basics of metal castings, creating their very own mini statues of their mascot, the Okie Bird. Foundry engineers design or upgrade facilities that create metal castings for products.
It's a very symbolic thing for students to work on, and it's something we can standardize so that all students are working on the same pattern. They get to learn the ins and outs of the process the same way.
That's all the time we have for now. Until the next time, we'll see you right here at Circuit News TV.